Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and if you're in the market for a high quality fan, I definitely recommend checking this one out from TALOYA. The first thing that stood out to me was the look. The all black, simple design made it a perfect match for our bedroom decor, and it will most definitely go with many other aesthetics as well. I don't know about you, but I'm very picky about the lighting, especially in my bedroom. So when I saw that this had three color temperatures and it was adjustable, I was sold. Just know that this does not come with a cover for the light, so if you're looking for a spotlight kind of light, this will be a great option for you. Now let's talk about performance. The reason we even needed this fan was because our old one was just not getting the job done. So when we turned this one on, we immediately felt the difference. It has 6 speeds, but we keep it at medium because otherwise we would have a mini hurricane in our room. But what impressed me the most about the performance is that it did all these things while being so quiet. It created enough white noise to help us fall asleep, but once we were asleep, aside from the air blowing on us, we would forget this was even on. Installation went smoothly. We had a friend help us, and it took under an hour, and that includes taking our old fan off. So if you want to be blown away in the best way possible, this fan is the way to go, and that's my point of view.